Welcome to Knowledge 10 classes. In this video, in this series of videos related to light chapter, we are solving numericals. In this video, I am going to solve sum number 14 and sum number 15 related to mirrors. Textbook page number 186. Again, I am repeating step 1. Write U, V and F with proper sign conventions. Second, out of these three things, they will be giving you any two things. Third, you have to find using mirror formula. Once you find V, you have U, you use magnification to find the answer for magnification. With the help of answer of magnification, you can find the nature of the image. So this is the flow we are going to follow. Sum number 14. An object 5 centimeter in length, यानी H1 is equal to 5 centimeter, is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. U is equal to minus 20. Whether it is concave or convex, U is always minus. We should know this. Of radius of curvature 30 centimeter, R is equal to 30 centimeter. Therefore, F is equal to R upon 2, which is equal to 30 upon 2. This is equal to 15 centimeter. But you know, it is which mirror? It is a convex mirror. In convex mirror, your F is positive, so this will be positive. If it were given this is a concave mirror, you will take F as negative. Find the position, nature and size. So position means you have to find the value of V, nature and size. Size is nothing but H2. So these three things we have to find out. Now, let us start solving the sum. Same, you have F, you have U, you have to find V. So what is the formula? 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. 1 upon F यानी 1 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon V, you don't know, plus 1 upon U. What is 1 upon U? 1 upon minus 20. So you have 1 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon 20. Minus 1 upon 20 transfers here. 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20 is equal to 1 upon V. Therefore, 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 15. LCM of 20 and 15 is 60. So into 3, into 3, into 4, into 4. So 1 upon V is equal to 4 plus 3, 7 divided by 60. Therefore, V is equal to 60 divided by 7. So what will be the value of 60 divided by 7? It will be 7 8s are 56. Remainder is 4. So 0.07 5s are 35 5 7s are 49 1 8.571. You can write it as 8.57 centimeter. Answer is positive. That means it is behind the mirror. Please note down up till here. Next, so you have calculated mirror. Now I have to find the nature. What is the nature? You will have to find a magnification. What is magnification? It is minus B upon U. Right? So magnification is equal to minus. What is the value of B? It is 8.57. Instead of 8.57, I will write it as 60 upon 7. Okay. So it is 60 upon 7 and divided by U. So divided by U. What is the value of U? U is minus 20. So this becomes M is equal to minus 60 upon 7 and multiply by 1 upon minus 20. This gets cancelled. 0, 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So M is equal to 3 divided by 7. So calculate the value of 3 divided by 7. We get 0.43. Now answer for magnification is positive. So how will you define the nature? Nature is, it is positive. Positive means it is erect, it is virtual, and answer is less than 1, so it is diminished. It is diminished. So this is your nature. You got the answer of V, you got the answer for nature. Now you have to find the value of H2 also. Okay, so how will I find H2? I know magnification is equal to H2 upon H1. And what is the value of magnification I got? It is 3 upon 7. So H2 upon H1 is given 5 is equal to 3 upon 7. So H2 is equal to 3 upon 7 multiplied by 5. So it will be 15 upon 7. What is 15 upon 7? 7 2s are 14, 1.10, 7 1s are 7, 3, 7 4s are 28, 2, 7 2s are 14. So it will be 2.142 centimeter. Okay, so this is your sum number 14. The flow for each and every sum remains the same. Please note down this sum and please like and share this video.